Today, when we came home, we found this package waiting for us. This is from Zazil Media Group, and I think I know what this is. Yeah, okay. We've got the Kodak Printomatic instant print camera and some Kodak zinc photo paper. So this camera prints instantly. There's not a little printer in there. All the magic is done with the paper. And there's 20 sheets in here. This is 2 by 3 inch prints, or 50 by 76 millimeters. And it's zero ink technology. So let's take a look at what we have here. Kodak, you know, of course they're famous for their for making film for many years. And now they're coming out with some very nice products. I saw a printer that was designed for iPhone and other really cool things coming from Kodak these days. So let's take a look here at what we got. This is the Kodak Printomatic. Nice, very solid. I guess the photos pop out from here. And what else is in here? Okay, we've got a quick little reference card. Tell us how to load the paper. And there's a USB cable for charging. And you can either, I would assume there's no charging block, but I would assume this can plug into a USB charger, or using an existing charging block, you can plug it directly in there, and that will charge the camera. So let us see here. This is a 8mm, and here's our compartment to load the paper. Take a look here. Okay, so we opened up our zinc photo paper package here, and we see 2 packets. Let's see here. So there's what, 20 sheets in here, so I guess there's 10 sheets per packet. And we're going to open this up, load it up. Okay, so we have our film sheets here, and this blue card is for calibration, and we just drop the whole stack here, make sure that the blue card is facing down, and then we just load the camera and pop that in, and there it is. So we're going to need to charge it, so we'll be back in a little while. Okay, I have my lovely assistants here, and we are going to give this camera a try. And are we ready to go? Okay, let's give a big smile. Go ahead. All right. Face
so that
down.
Everyone can see the picture.
Okay, it's processing. And remember now, it's not printing. All this magic is done on the paper, on the Kodak zinc paper, which is pretty amazing. That's pretty incredible. This is great for parties and weddings, things like that. So when your Aunt Jen asks for a copy of a picture, you can just hand her this, and you don't have to remember to do it at a later time. All right, that's kind of cute. Wow, that is not bad. Not too shabby.
It looks.
Look at that.
That looks very pretty.
Okay. All right.
Balloon can
Okay, let's see what we end up with out here.
It looks realistic.
Yeah, doesn't it? Wow, it looks very nice.
Because like the wall part looks the same as the wall.
Mm-hmm.
It looks like it has texture.
That is not bad. Let's see. Okay, that's pretty good representation.
Looks similar.
All right. Well,
It's a good thing because you don't have to like do hard work to put on your computer, so that it can make your computer like print it out and like.
what an excellent testimony. Okay, thank you so
Yep.
much.
And this is
And
like
thank you, Kodak, for this awesome camera.
Yep.
Love this. Think it'll make an awesome Christmas gift. And thank you for joining us.